Hey Jennifer, I'm George. We talked a little bit on Facebook about how you really want to support your boyfriend's business, and I'm going to send this free custom video. So check this out. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that he can do today to start bringing in more customers to his business. And I don't want to waste too much time, but let me kind of go on with this free attack plan that I'm talking about. So, first things first, Google loves the amount of content you have on a site. You're going to want at least 1,500 words on your site if you really want to index and be found for whatever you're writing on your site. For example, this would be like auto repair services. I think I looked and it says you guys kind of do some like you gotta do transmission services. That'll be bigger ticket items. So if you include that in there, you could pop up for something like that as well. But you're gonna want 1,500 words. My tool here is telling me that he has 366, so it's something you can improve on. Next thing I want to talk about, or actually let me get a little bit more into the content. I'm kind of looking, and he's just having a lot of services here. Okay, now services, which is nice, you kind of want to expand on that, kind of like how he does in engine services right here. Kind of how he does locally owned Brothers Run. See, that's all great, but whenever search engines are scanning your site, they're kind of seeing what you offer, what you have in there, so on and so forth. So you're going to want to have a lot more content, and it has to be keyword rich. Now, whenever I searched up Auto Repair Houston, Scott's Auto Repair is actually the first guy that popped up. Now, you can tell that he doesn't have much more, but he does have more. So let's kind of 625 words. Like I said, 1,500 your go-to. This guy is not that hard to beat, actually. But he's including a lot of things that you might want to, like auto repair shop in Houston. There's some other things in here, services he provides, kind of does what y'all are doing. But yeah, so the more words, it's keyword rich. You can definitely outrank this guy for content at least, because that is not hard to beat at all. Next thing I want to talk about is something called backlinks. Now, a backlink is on somebody else's site if there's a clickable link, and if someone clicks on that link, it goes back to this site. That's a backlink. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, if you have a backlink on an automotive site, that is going to hold a lot more weight and help you in the rankings. But if you have one on Pizza Hut, that's not going to help you out because you don't sling pizzas for a living. So check this out. The equality is super important. It says you guys have 5,810 backlinks from 810 domains. Now, Scott's Auto Repair has a lot less, actually. They have 171 domains. That means that the referring domains is the amount of places throughout the internet that actually have the link. And this is how many backlinks it gives you. You have 811, you have a lot more. But I can tell that they may have a little bit more quality, because when you go to organic keywords, the quality backlinks and the type of backlinks you get will increase your amount of keywords. So you guys have 251. These guys have 971. The traffic coming to your site. You guys have 186. They have 987. Now let me get into the traffic a little bit to kind of show you how it's being split up. If someone looks up Quick Auto or 2Quick Automotive, that's where you're getting most of your traffic from. You're getting 163 from Quick Auto, and that's not even necessarily in Houston. You know, like if someone just looks up Quick Auto anywhere, I mean, that could be what you're ranking for, if that makes sense. 2Quick Automotive, obviously, you do want to pop up first if someone's looking for you. Auto Repair 77095, you got a zip code in there. That's being searched about 50 times. You guys are getting 2.5 clicks on average a month. Now, what you want to be ranking for are keywords that are super relative to what you want to be found for. Now, let me show you what Scott's Auto Repair is doing. So he has his 133 clicks from Scott's Auto Repair. Okay, but Automotive Repair Houston, Texas is kind of what you guys want to do. It's being searched for 350 times a month. He's getting 49 clicks from that. Automotive Repair Houston, 300 searches a month. He's getting 40. Auto Repairs Houston, 250 a month. He's getting 36. You can kind of see where he's getting most of his traffic. So this is going to allow him to bring in new clients instead of just bringing in whoever is actually looking for him. Okay, so this is a super big thing. If you want to bring in new clients who don't know about you guys, this is effectively how you want to do it. Now the last thing I want to talk about is this map pack right here. So typically when someone does a keyword search, like for example Auto Repair Houston, you have your map pack. 30% of the traffic goes in here, 60% of the traffic goes around the rest of the page, and that other 10% of people looking will actually go somewhere else. They might go to the second page, or they might look down the maps. So now, like I said, if someone looks up Auto Repair Houston, these guys are popping up first. They're getting most of the traffic. Now you really gotta hunt to find. Let's see if I can find 2Quick Auto. Let me see. Mario's. Looking. Oh, Peter doing something weird. Alright, so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. It's a little hard to actually find him in the listings, but nevertheless, let me kind of tell you a little bit about how you rank in these maps. So, one of the main factors to rank in these maps is something called a citation. Now, a citation are listings in these directories that have your name, address, and phone number submitted word for word. Okay. Now, the more you have, the more stronger your presence on the map is. And that is one of the main factors, the citations. Now, obviously, it also has to do with the type of citation you get, kind of like the backlinks. If you get it on an automotive directory, it's going to count more than if you just get it on some foreign, like restaurant directory, because that won't really help you out much. But yeah, citations, they're super important. That's what you want to do. I always recommend 200 to 300 because you usually beat out your competition by a landslide and you take over a lot of the map rankings and get all that traffic I was talking about. So to kind of recap, I recommend 1,500 words on a homepage. You're going to need quality backlinks, because looking at this, you got a lot of backlinks, but they must not be quality because of the traffic you're getting. I can tell by that. So quality backlinks, you're going to need, the last thing is just citations. 200 to 300, beat your competition by a landslide, and that'll give you a lot more clients in the door. That being said, if y'all like what I'm saying and you want to talk a little bit more, my name is George Alaniz, Underdog Leads. Phone number is 830-200-6772. Once again, George, Underdog Leads. Number is 830-200-6772. Thank you.